Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I will show you how to remove the broken AUX cable inside the projector. You can see 3.5 mm AUX jack broken inside a projector Benq, and trying to remove this. You need a safety pin and you need a lighter. You have to try this way. First you have to make very warm your safety pin with the lighter. And then put that warm safety pin inside the broken jack and wait for a few seconds. After that you bring it out. Try this way. Okay, put inside now, inside the plastic. Okay, keep it 10 seconds. And now try it out. It's not come, so I will try another way. I have safety pin angle, you can see. I try to make it out. I come slowly, you can see it's come out now with safety pin. See guys, it's become out. So you need a plus or something to remove this. Okay, see now this I remove by this one because it's already out. So guys, you can see, just remove it. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for new video. Thank you.